What I'm interested in too, Ryan, is I know you're talking a lot about, getting people in key roles. Really, we struggle with that as well too, right? Like right now, we struggle having somebody kind of out there because I'm more outward facing on both businesses that we kind of have going on right now. And it's really hard to find that person that's kind of like really key and crucial. Like, what's your role? Because I think it takes a very good mindset to understand, like, okay, I'm lacking here and I'm not good at this. So I need to get somebody to do this. So, what's your ideal role and what are you good at?
My ideal role, I think, is just relationships, just going out and making relationships, maintaining relationships. But I think that's kind of any business owner's deal. I can go out, run the machines, I can go out and do the job, but now to where I'm at in my stage of my career, I feel dumb saying it, but I piss everybody off when I go work with them. It's like I'll say something stupid, which I'm kind of just joking, but somebody will take it wrong, and then next thing you know, they want to quit, and it's like, wait a minute, no, I didn't mean that at all. Like, I was just messing with you. Where I'm best suited for my business is making sure that the relationships are taken care of, making sure that the jobs are being done the way that the relationships expect them to be done. That to me, I think, is how I've been able to keep and maintain relationships over the years, is because people expect a certain type of work out of us, and we got to make sure that we take care of that. And I have 4 guys that I really don't have to worry about, that are all out every day. And we have 6 crews. The other 2 crews are a little more green. They still do a great job, but I still have to kind of watch them a little bit. But I think for me, relationships and just the overall flow of the business and getting work and seeing that, the work is being done and being carried out properly. Those are the things I think where I'm the strongest at. Guys can do the work. Not everyone has the relationships that are needed to continue on with your customers. And then also I'm trying to kind of get to where we diversify a little bit. We're trying to find some different things to get into as far as excavation goes, different supplies, things like that. Right now we're looking at doing some stuff with carrying some attachments, getting into carrying some things like that. So, like we can sell not only to us, but we can also sell to other customers out there, other people around the country, around the world, and just promoting products that I feel like are good quality products. That's the name of the game a lot of times. Like we talked about earlier, you can find some good products, but you got to have backing behind them, and they've got to be a good, solid product. And that's kind of where I'm at right now, is like, there's a lot of stuff in Sweden that's really, really, really good as far as the quality goes. So we're looking at some of that. There's some stuff over in the European countries. There's stuff over in China and Japan. They're really good. So as far as, that goes, like we talked about, I think there's a lot of that stuff can be explored a lot. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm 50. I'll be 51, this coming month, and I'm not getting any younger. I got to find some other things to do to where it's not just, excavation. I got to find some things where I don't really have an exit strategy. I'd like one of my daughters to take over, but we'll kind of see what happens with that. We'll see if she finds somebody that can help her with that, or that wants to help her with that, or maybe she doesn't want to do it at all. It's hard to say. But my role right now, where I'm best suited, I think, is the relationships, finding the work, and making sure that, people are happy with what we're doing for them. That's, I think, where my role is best suited.